If you're considering buying real estate property management software, you might have heard of Rented. But before you commit, there are some key things you should know. In this video, we'll cover 12 important factors to consider and how Rented stacks up against its competitors. First thing you need to know is Rented's pricing model. Unlike many other platforms, it uses a commission-based structure, taking a cut of your booking revenue. This can be appealing if you're just getting started, as there's no upfront cost. However, compared to flat fee options, it could cost you more in the long run if your bookings increase. Next thing, the ease of use. Rented provides a streamlined dashboard, but it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors. You might find it takes a little longer to get comfortable with the layout, especially when compared to software like Buildium or Appfolio, which are known for their user-friendly interfaces. The third thing to consider is property syndication. Rented shines here with its ability to syndicate your listings across multiple platforms, saving you time and ensuring greater exposure for your properties. However, some competitors, like Rentec Direct, have more integrations with third-party tools, which can help automate even more of the process. Now let's talk about customer support. Rented offers live chat and phone support, which is a big plus. But it's worth noting that during peak times, response times can be slower compared to services like Propertyware, which is known for providing more responsive support. The fifth thing is the reporting feature. Rented offers basic reporting tools, but if you're looking for in-depth analytics, competitors like Tenant Cloud might have the upper hand. Their advanced reporting can give you a deeper understanding of your rental performance. Next, consider the integration capabilities. Rented works well with accounting software, but when it comes to connecting with other tools, like CRM or maintenance management systems, you might find that other platforms have more integrations out of the box. For example, Appfolio offers a broader range of integrations, making it more flexible for larger operations. The seventh thing is the mobile app. Rented's mobile app is decent for basic management, but it's not as feature-rich as some competitors, like Rentec Direct, which offers a more robust app for managing properties on the go. Now let's talk about customization. Rented provides some flexibility when it comes to customizing property profiles and pricing options. However, if you need more advanced customization, you might prefer alternatives like Propertyware, which allows for greater control over workflows and reporting. The ninth thing to note is security. Rented provides standard security features, such as data encryption and secure payment processing. However, compared to platforms like Buildium, it doesn't have as many customizable security settings, which might be important if you're handling sensitive client information. Next thing, the user community. Rented has a growing community of users, but it's not as large or as active as communities around platforms like Tenant Cloud. If you rely heavily on user forums for troubleshooting or advice, this could be a limitation. The 11th thing to consider is scalability. Rented is great for small to mid-sized operations, but as your business grows, you might find the software a little limiting. Competitors like Appfolio or Buildium are built for scalability and offer more robust features for larger property management needs. Finally, let's talk about the free trial. Rented offers a trial period, but if you want a more comprehensive experience, there are other platforms that offer longer trial periods or more features during their free trials. It's important to weigh this against the full costs once you commit. In conclusion, Rented is a solid option for property management, especially for smaller businesses. It offers useful features like syndication and mobile access, but may fall short when compared to competitors in areas like customization, reporting, and integrations. If you're looking for a better option, we recommend checking out our top-rated property management software that you can try for free. Link in the description.